Very dark.
So it's a deep water crossing. Let's do this. We can see that's the Kargil at top. Okay, so today we are leaving from Kargil. We're getting a photograph done by this guy. So we stayed in this hotel called Hotel Dizojila. So it's a pretty good hotel, got a good deal. 1,800 for 3 people. Food was pretty good. The rooms were clean, the bathroom were clean. A good stay option here. It's not in the Kargil city, it's about 2 kilometers from Kargil city. If you're coming from Padum, you will plot it on the left hand side. So today's target is Leh, 225 kilometers approximately. आगे से right फिर left, ठीक है? So this is not exactly Kargil city. Kargil city is around 2 kilometers from here. In the morning we did a little bike wash here. They charged about 100 rupees for each bike, and we did the chain lever ourselves. Christopher had some issues like we talked about last evening with his bike, with the drop. The engine warning light was on, but he got it checked. He got some extra coolant filled, which had been leaking for some time. So I think all bikes related issues are sorted. Going to be a short ride to Leh because who's riding the Java is not feeling well. He had slight temperature about 100 degrees. He's having some medicines already for it. Hopefully it improves. So Ramayuru is 106 from here. We may change our itinerary a bit depending on health and weather situation. For now, this time I am kind of preferring to do the Umingla Pass, which is at more than 19,000 feet, and Christopher wants to do Pangong for sure because he's been to Leh 2 times already, but he's not been to Pangong. So the schedule is tight. We have to return to Delhi by 12th of October, 6th already. We have another 6 days to a lot of places to go to. So it depends. We may skip Umingla and do Nubra Pangong, or do skip Nubra altogether and do Pangong and what do you call it? Umingla. So first thing is to reach Leh. The roads have been good till now. Post Kargil, after reaching Kargil, the roads have been good. Oh, on the right you look at the Kargil, one of the villages of Kargil. Christopher, as usual, is going too fast for our liking. Filling up fuel at Kargil filling station. Fuel is expensive here. It's 108 rupees, which is on the higher side, about 700 rupees on the higher side. Full tank करना भैया. Okay, it's petrol is 101, so I think it's alright. I was talking about the premium one. Okay. कार्ड से पेमेंट हो जाएगा ना? कार्ड ठीक है. वाईफाई करना हो गया. कोई नहीं, फेंक दो. चलो. So I got fuel filled up of 730 rupees. You have to be careful, the locals are driving like crazy. Like, and for them we are crazy riders, but as for locals, they're used to these kind of roads that turn very harshly and at high speeds. So you need to be more careful. Christopher is a fast rider. He goes on overtaking like anything. I'm more careful, more slow in approach. We passed one more high pass at Nakila Pass. We couldn't, obviously we didn't cross Ozila because we didn't approach in grass. We directly came to Kargil. So that pass hasn't missed. So we are on the Srinagar-Leh highway, heading towards Leh. Like always, Christopher's leading the way and riding fast as usual. Met a few riders, ZX 10R. So they were planning to go to Padum and onwards to Sinkula. So Christopher told the guy in ZX 10R that it's going to be difficult on that bike. But yeah, doesn't matter what bike you're riding, it's the wheel and how you ride. Yeah. But yeah, one needs to be careful because the roads are so bad, it's all gravel. Sandy patches, big rock patches, it becomes difficult for those kind of bikes. This valley is beautiful. Yeah. All brown mountains again, greenery in the valley, barren mountains above. We've done approximately 25 kilometers at good pace. There's a lot of infrastructure development going around in this place. It's like a canyon. Riding in the hills during night becomes stressful because the streets are not lit up and it's totally dark with only the headlight from your. So each mountain's got some kind of different texture, color. dark brown, it's orange on the other, it's dark grey on the other side. So some are stony. So beautiful. I guess enjoy the view. Namika 15 kilometer. Kargil 24, Kargil 63, A186. So whenever you come into the shadow area, it gets cool, very cool. That's what cool. I can feel it. Feel the cool. This is off season, so we don't see much many riders coming our way, on the opposite way. Hot spring, there's a hot spring here. It's 2 kilometers away. Well, we're gonna skip it. Out of the world views. So we are at 11,000 feet now. At one time, all these parts were under the ocean. Long time ago. So that's why look at the mountains. They have multiple layers on them. So it's been told you find old fossils, sea creature fossils over here. I think we are going to climb the Namika Pass. Namika Pass. Because we are climbing now. Christopher asked him to collect videos. I'm already taking one. There's red or maroonish colored mountain over there. So there's different colors all together. It's a weird looking mount on the right. I think Christopher wants to stop here. अरे क्रिस्टोफर, वो ऊपर पास है, वो ऊपर पास है, वो पास पे रुक जाते ऊपर. हो रहा Yeah, I can see the pass. There's a viewpoint there. There is 171 kilometers, Lama Yuru is 48, and we are almost reached Namika point. Okay, we anyway have to stop, so there's no point overtaking. There is a point overtaking. He's leaving a lot of smoke. Anyway, these trucks are lifetime of the city of Leh. Yep, that's Namika over there. So we are in Namika now. Namika Pass. There's a viewpoint on the top. Okay guys, I'm in Namika Pass, which is at 12,000 feet.